Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. It is now in the morning, right, in Indonesia. Meanwhile, in the UK, right now it is in the midnight. Yeah, it is now 1:28 a.m. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are feeling well, staying safe and healthy, my students. I'm really great here. Okay, in this video, I'd like to discuss with you about academic writing, the assignment that you should submit this semester, and what you should do to submit, to revise, and to achieve as high score as possible. So let's talk about academic writing. Yeah, so this video will be for my students in English education department, English for mathematics, English for psychology. Okay, so starting from the name of the course, academic writing. So in this course, as I have said previously, you will have an ability to write in academic style. Therefore, what you need to do is to develop an article about reviewing an application. You have already understood all the instruction on Google Classroom, but I noticed that some of the groups need some revisions, and every one of you should remember about what I have already taught in the Google Classroom. Okay, so definitely in academic writing you need to discuss with your friends, because this is not individual work, but your academic writing assignment is teamwork. So what you need to do is you need to discuss with your partners collaboratively using online collaborative project based, and we are using Google Docs. I am pretty sure that some of the groups, or maybe most of the groups, including in English education department, or maybe psychology department, or mathematics departments, you have already understood my instruction. But then some of the groups needs to reread my instruction. You need to remember that my instruction in Google Classroom has already been posted 2 months ago, yeah, since October 2023, right? So now let's take a look on Google Classroom just to make sure that you know my instruction carefully. Before we take a look on Google Classroom, I just want to inform you that this is the academic calendar. You can see here that we should finish our teaching and learning process no later than January 5th, 2024, meaning that I have to make sure that every one of you, every group in department of English education department, or maybe psychology department or mathematics department, yeah, you should submit your assignment no later than the following duration or period of time. But let's take a look on very specific detail on the calendar. Okay, so once again, I would like to make sure that every one of you should work in group. Okay, so I will show you your Google Classroom works, as well as comments, feedbacks that has already been given by your friends, and also several things that we can discuss in this video will be related to how to submit your final version of academic writing assignment in Turnitin, as well as how to revise it using several strategies that I would like to tell you later. So let me take a look on your Google Classroom. So let me just share a screen. Wait a second. Okay. So as you can see here, this is the Google Chrome that I have opened, including the SIAKAD websites. Yeah. Okay, so all of the classes here that I have opened, including psychology department, yeah, English education department, and mathematics department. For English education department, the course name is academic writing, and now you have 15 meetings. So we still have one more meeting that I would like to add in the following system, that is final submission of your assignment. So that is for class C, and now for class F you have already 15 meetings now, and one more meeting for final submission. And this is for mathematics department. The name of the course is Bahasa Inggris. For class A, you also have 15 meetings now. And for class B, mathematics department, you also have 15 meetings now. As well as for psychology departments, okay, the name of the course is also Bahasa Inggris. Class B and class F, you also have 15 meetings now. So in conclusion, what can I say is that definitely you have already now 15 meetings. I have to make sure that the last meeting of your course in academic writing will be your final submission of final assignment. Okay, so now I'd like to take a look on your Google Classroom. Okay, let me close the SIAKAD website, and here is the Google Classroom. I have already informed you that the following Google Classroom will be used, yeah, throughout the semester, including the assignments, yeah, including the informations, or maybe submission of your final assignment. Okay, so this one is English for mathematics, English for psychology, this one is academic writing, this one is English for mathematics and psychology. Okay, so right now I am in the web page of Google Classroom, class B, academic writing, and this one class A, academic writing, English education department, right? And then this one, English for mathematics, class A, English for mathematics, class B, and this one, English for psychology, class A, English for psychology, class B. And all of the following Google Classrooms have already informed, yeah, about Google Docs link on each group. Yeah, I have already provided you with the following information: progress report on application review. So on every Google Classroom here, yeah, as you can see, I have already provided information, yeah, instruction, and also assignment. Yeah. So one of the things that I would like to inform you here is that first, on the Google Docs link, yeah, on every class here, every Google Classroom, I have to make sure that you already understood my instruction. For example, on the Google Docs link, I have to make sure that every group here has already mentioned the link. Okay, I have to make sure about it. If you haven't, then please leave a comment. But I noticed that every group has already informed about the link of Google Docs here. The next thing that you can do is make sure that all members of the groups will be added as the editor in your Google Docs. Why do I ask you like this? Because whenever I click on every Google Docs link here, I can make sure that every member of the groups will have a role. Let's say one of you will add introduction paragraph, or maybe one of the other members will provide explanation on the description of the application, and etc. So what you need to do is I have to make sure that every one of you will have a role. For example, let me just randomly choose one of the Google Docs, this one. Let's say there are 5 members here, and I will check your progress by checking the following weekly progress report in the left side of Google Docs. Have you added an information about your progress? I think this group has not provided an information about the progress of every week. Every weekly progress should be provided here. If not, then of course definitely you need to provide it. Another thing that I would check is this history of every documents. So when I click this, I will definitely know who has already provided let's say writing section on each page here. And it seems like there is only several members here who has contributed, right? So definitely I cannot check your progress if you did not include your friend's email in your Google Docs. So once again, my instruction here, I have already informed you that all the members' email should be added, should be included. If not, then you have a big problem because I cannot check your progress on the Google Docs. Okay, let me choose another Google Docs. Hopefully you have a better progress. All right, let's check this one. I will check here. Okay, that's a really good progress. Weekly progress, you have provided an information on it, and absolutely this is a really good job. Another thing is I will check the history, and hopefully there will be some members of the groups who have contributed in the following Google Docs. Okay, that's good. Okay, the members of the group have already contributed. So that's why, my students, I want you to focus more on my instruction. You should do it, and if you have any question, you can reply on every Google Docs, Google Classroom post here. So you just reply if you have any question, or maybe you can send me a WhatsApp message. But then right now it is almost the end of our teaching and learning process. So what I need you to do is, in the rest period of our teaching and learning process in this semester, I would like you to make sure that my instruction will be done carefully, will be you need to add your friend's email address as the editor. So then for the next progress on Google Docs, I can check your contribution. Okay. Next, I'd like to show you another post on Google Classroom that is providing feedback. Okay. In the following post, I have already noticed that maybe most of the members of the group have already submitted comments. Yeah, this is the summary of comments, right? Because I have already given you an instruction. Yeah, by leaving comment, by summarizing the comments you provide on your friend's article, meaning that I have to make sure that you will provide comments, you will provide feedback on your friend's Google Docs. But when I see here on the Google Docs, yeah, I just couldn't find out the comments from other groups. Okay, in this case, yeah, one of the members of the group have already provided comments here. In this case, I have to make sure that your comments, your feedback will be on the Google Docs, and after that you can summarize it on the Google Classroom. Definitely your comments or your feedback here should be available for the other groups that you have already discussed with your members of your group, right? So it would be better for you to make sure that your comments will also available on your friends' Google Docs. If you have already provided feedback like this one, that's really good. I really appreciate it. But if you only provided feedback on Google Classroom, then I need you to copy and paste your feedback on your friend's Google Docs. Yeah. Once again, my students, my other instruction is make sure that you read my instruction carefully and you do all the following comments by me, yeah, in a few weeks ago. Yeah, you need to remember that you need to add your weekly progress report on your Google Doc. Make sure that the title and the structure will be according to the example that I have given to you, and then the application review. Yeah, you need also to provide figures or images of the screenshot of the application. I found out that some of the groups have not provided the images or the screenshots of the application. So how can you review the application if you did not provide the images or screenshots of the application, right? And then I have already given you some suggestion, yeah, to write in Bahasa Indonesia first, and then you can translate it, and then you can rephrase, yeah, according to proper English, right? And then remember, you need to discuss with your partners in reviewing or providing comments to your friends' Google Docs. Yeah. Okay. Another thing that I would like to discuss with you in this video is this instruction, my students. Again, I have already given you an instruction on providing additional relevant resources. Yeah. So when you click this instruction, when you open this instruction, I just want you to have a try. Make sure that there will be additional relevant resources, yeah, that you can cite from academic journals, in your Google Docs, especially in the introduction session and evaluation section. Because in the introduction section, you need to provide definition, you need to provide evidence, you need to include some relevant definition from relevant journals, right? Okay, meaning that you have to make sure about the following instruction. You will reply individually, you will submit individually, because my instruction here is you can leave a comment, and also add to your group's work in Google Docs. Every student should find at least a source or article journal, so at least you can add whether it is definition, whether it is supporting your arguments, and etc. So this will be individual assignment for you. I just want you to make sure that you can find relevant sources for your Google Docs. I really appreciate for those of you who have already provided comments here, but then I just want you to make sure that you understand my instruction. Okay, alright, my students, these three instructions that I have already taught to you previously. The first one is making sure that your Google Docs here, you can provide comments to your friends' work. And also the next one, you need to provide feedback on Google Docs, not only in Google Classroom. And if you have already discussed your feedback with your members of your group, you can copy and paste the discussion result and submit it here, because I will give score on every student, not the student who has already submitted here. So for those of you who have not provided comments or submission in the following assignment, you need to copy and paste your group's discussion result individually. So I will give score on every student's account, not some students who have already submitted their assignment here. Okay, so all of the students should submit. Once again, you need to submit the group discussion results that you have already posted on Google Docs. Meanwhile, this instruction is individual. So you need to provide relevant source, especially which is supporting your Google Docs. Alright, so this is my instruction on Google Docs, and later I will inform you about another things that you need to do, especially because your Google Docs will be downloaded and it will be submitted on Turnitin. So right now I would like to inform you about the submission of your final assignment. Okay, my students, the submission of your final assignment should be no later than 13th of December, right? Because on the 5th of January 2024, I have to make sure that every one of you has already submitted your final revision of your submission. So then I need to make sure that on the 13th of December 2023, you will submit your final assignment. and I will suggest you to do my instruction previously. Leave a comment on your friend's Google Docs and try to provide additional resources, and don't forget about the weekly progress report. Okay, and after that, I would like you to submit your final submission or final version of your Google Docs to Turnitin. Because using Turnitin, I will know the similarity of your assignment, whether it is 30% similar to others or not. So your submission or your article should have a similarity percentage no more than 30%. Okay, by checking your submission on Turnitin, you can have feedback automatically provided by Turnitin. It is called e-report. So I'll show you later. So now, if you have already discussed with your partners, discussed with your group members, on finalizing your documents on Google Docs, then what you need to do is to submit your final version of Google Docs by downloading it into a PDF file, and then you join my class on Turnitin. So what you need to do is you need to visit Turnitin, create a new account as student, and then you need to make sure that the following information will be entered on your account. Let's say you need to create an account, and then the following class ID and enrollment key should be entered, should be filled on the web page. So then you will join my course on Turnitin. And then I have already divided some of the classes here in Turnitin. Academic Writing for English Education Department, Class C and Class F. Academic Writing for English for Psychology, Class A and Class B. Academic Writing for English for Mathematics, Class A and Class B. Meaning that you will submit your final version of Google Docs in reviewing application on your own class here, on your own section here. So let's say English Education Department, Class C, Group 1, you need to submit your final version of Google Docs here. Okay, just by clicking submit on your account. Okay, this is the appearance of the web page on my account, so then it will be different on your own account. So there will be a menu like submit here. Okay, so what you need to do is to submit your final version of Google Docs. So I'd like to inform you another thing, that is revising your article or revising your submission based on Turnitin feedback. Okay, so let me share a screen with you, okay, on Turnitin web page. Okay, this one is Turnitin web page. I have already created a class for you, which is academic writing, and this one, academic writing, will have a specific class for every one of you. So like what I've said previously, every group will submit your article on your own section. Okay, Class C, you need to submit here on Class C. Class B, English for Mathematics or Mathematics departments, you need to submit it here on your section. One of the members only, not all of the members, once again, one of the members only who should submit the final version of the Google Docs. Okay, so take for example this one. You can download this as PDF or as Microsoft Word. It's okay as PDF. Once you have downloaded your article, you can submit it on Turnitin. Okay, this one is English for Psychology Class B, meaning that this group should submit it here. Okay, English for Psychology Class B, Academic Writing. On your account, there must be submit menu here. Okay, let me give you an example. Right, let's say I will choose this class and I will submit file. Okay, this is just for example, right? And I will choose a file that I have downloaded previously, this one, and then click on upload. Once you have already uploaded your PDF file or Google Docs in the final version, you can click on confirm and then go to assignment inbox. Okay, so you will see here the similarity percentage, as well as there will be some feedbacks on Turnitin, which can help you to check grammar, and also some tenses that probably can help you to make your article better, right? Okay, you just wait for about maybe 1 to 2 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. While we are waiting for the similarity progress, I'd like to inform you about another thing that you can do to improve your writing, especially using artificial intelligence. Maybe you have already understood what I'm talking about. Artificial intelligence can help you to improve your writing, especially in grammatical errors, or maybe in word choice, or maybe in cohesion or coherence, right? So I will suggest you to install the extensions which will help you to identify grammatical errors. What is it? It is called this one, GPT Grammar. So you can use GPT Grammar on your Google Chrome extension. So you can add extension on Google Chrome. This is only for Google Chrome browser. You can add extension on your Google Chrome, and then you can search this one. You can click add-ons and then search add-on, and then you need to type, or you need to find the following extension. It is called GPT Grammar and Spell Checker. I will give you a simulation later. And one more extension that I would really suggest to you is this one. Okay, you can use GPT. This is not GPT Grammar. The name is Work GPT. GPT for workspace. Okay, so there are two extensions on Google Chrome that you can add, which can help you to check grammatical error, as well as to help you to make sure that your writing will be significantly better, right? So let me just give you a simulation. This one, you can click on extension, and then you can choose add-on menu, and then go to get add-ons. Okay, and then search for this add-on. Yeah, one of them that I have already mentioned previously, yeah, is GPT grammar, right? So you need to click on get add-on and GPT grammar. Okay, GPT grammar and spell checker, because I have already installed in my Google Classroom. Because I have already installed in my Google Chrome, so this one, it is installed. Yeah, so you need to click install here. Okay, another is, yeah, another extension that you can use, yeah, is work GPT. Okay, so you can click add-ons, get add-ons, and then search for work GPT. Okay, GPT for work. Okay, you can click it, and then this one, yeah, work GPT. You can choose this add-on. You just click install. And how it works, yeah, it is very easy. So you just make sure that the extension has been installed, right? It has been installed here. Yeah, it has been installed here. And then what you can do is take, for example, this paragraph. Yeah, you want to check the grammar, whether there is grammatical error or not. Yeah, so what you can do is click on extension, click on GPT grammar and spell checker, and then click on start, and then it will show you, yeah, an option: check selected paragraphs or check full documents. In this case, I will choose check selected paragraphs. Okay, click on start checking, and it will evaluate, yeah, it will check grammatical errors, yeah, on your writing. Okay, so here your content is well written with no spelling, grammatical, or punctuation error. Wow, that's good. How about another group works? Yeah, for example, let me choose another one just to make sure that it can help you to check grammatical errors. Yeah, for example, okay, I think this one is really good. Yeah, let me just, okay, I have already copied some of the paragraphs on some of the group's work. Let's say this one, and then click on extension, GPT grammar and spell checker, and then click on start, and then choose selected paragraph. Okay, you can see here there must be a suggestion, yeah, from the GPT grammar. Okay, so you can see here there is a suggestion. There are several suggestions here, like adding a comma, adding conjunction, and adding this word and the following word choice. Yeah, so it seems like, yeah, it has already been checked by GPT grammar. You can directly click on accept all, or you can also revise on the following document just by writing what are the suggestions. Okay, in this case, let's check all, and it is still working. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, so you just make sure that you can click one by one, or you can edit directly here. Okay, another features that I have already mentioned previously is the following extension, which is called work GPT. Okay, you can click on open GPT sidebar. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and on the selected text, yeah, you can choose so many features here. Yeah, let's say fixed grammar and spelling, let's say expand and make longer, or different ways to say this, suggestions to the content, and etc. So you can choose many options here, right? I think this can be really helpful for you. Let's say this paragraph is, let's say, too short, yeah, so you can choose expand. You can also add more instruction here, or you just leave it blank. Let's say 50 words, yeah, and then submit and ask GPT. But again, because this is free version, you only have 18 credits, yeah, or instruction, yeah. Okay, click on submit, and let's take a look on the suggestion provided by this extension, and hopefully you can, oh sorry, it is already exceeded, yeah, the premium version. Okay, yeah, this one. So there is a developed paragraph, yeah, or maybe this is the expanded paragraph, yeah. As you can see here, there are several word choices which have already been included, yeah, in the following revised version. As you can see here, the original version is in this feature you will find different types of exercises, yeah. And then this one, in this comprehensive feature, individuals can explore a diverse range of exercises. You see, the word choice has already been changed and it is expanded. Okay, so when you click insert, it will be here automatically insert, yeah. Okay, yeah, just like this one. So this is the original version, this is the extended version, yeah. Okay, so definitely it can help you to have a better idea in expanding your paragraph. Or if you want to choose another instruction like improve writing and rewrite, yeah, what do you think? Okay, let's choose another paragraph, improve writing and rewrite, and click on submit. Again, this is free version, so you will only have no more than 20 credits, yeah. Okay, this one, this is the revised version, yeah. And then click on insert. You can see here the different version, yeah. The developed the revised version is better in terms of grammatical and in terms of coherence and cohesion, yeah. You can also check on your own skills, yeah. But again, my students, all you need to do is not relying too much on this AI. What I really suggest to you is to recheck again whether this revised version, yeah, is a better version of this or not. Or you can delete, yeah, some of the following sentences which you think it is not appropriate, yeah. Once again, you'd better to check the version of the following WorkGPT, yeah, the following version of WorkGPT, yeah. So again, my students, do not rely too much, yeah, and then do not copy and paste, or make sure that you will recheck the following version. Okay, this is really helpful for those of you who have a problem in developing your content of your paragraph. Okay, let's check. I think because of, I think there should be percentage here, yeah. Okay, let me check once again. Okay, there is no progress on Turnitin. Maybe there is an error here, but again, my students, once you have already submitted your submission, there should be a percentage here, similarity percentage, and then there will be response, yeah, on your submission. Okay, the response will be in the form of grammatical suggestion, yeah, just like what I am showing to you in the Google Docs previously. Yeah, or let me show you, let's say this one. Yeah, it will be like this one. Yeah, the similarity will be shown here, how many percentage. Yeah, and then let me show you the suggestion by Turnitin. Let me share another. Okay, yeah, it is called Feedback Studio. Yeah, so as you can see here, there is a suggestion like this one. You can click on ETS, yeah, E-rater, which means that it can give you some suggestion on grammatical error. Yeah, but then because this is only an example, yeah, there is no error at all here. Yeah, but it will show you if there are some errors like what error, proofread, yeah, or maybe another thing that will be really useful for you. It will be shown here, and you just click on every components that can be shown on the Turnitin. Yeah, okay, so once again, my students, you can use the following GPT grammar and work GPT, yeah, to improve your writing. Okay, okay, once again, you need to submit your final version of your submission in Google Docs version or maybe PDF version, yeah, no later than 30 December. Yeah, and then don't worry, you need to revise based on the Turnitin feedback. You need to revise, yeah, based on suggestion by GPT grammar, and you need to revise based on the suggestion by GPT work GPT, sorry. Yeah, so Turnitin, GPT grammar, and work GPT. If you have already revised, then it's only about time, my students. You need to discuss with your partners on how to make sure that your submission will be the best version. Yeah, so within a week, yeah, hopefully within a week, so you still have 1 week to revise your final version of submission, yeah, including the revision by Turnitin, the revision suggested by GPT grammar, and the revision suggested by work GPT. Yeah, and I would like to ask you, what is your perceptions, yeah, on using this kind of tools, yeah, which is AI generated platforms, yeah, or maybe we can call it as generative AI, yeah, such as Turnitin, and then GPT grammar, and then work GPT. Yeah, so those three platforms that you can use in order to improve your writing quality or writing skills. Yeah, so once again, 5th of January 2024, you need to submit your revision, because on the 10th of January 2024, I need to submit your score. Yeah, meaning that I have only several days, yeah, to give scores on every groups, yeah, including calculating all the individual works and also group assignment, and also participation score. Yeah. Okay, my students, I think that's all for the following information in this video. I hope every one of you can have a better understanding by watching this video. This video is definitely for those of you who are probably still have a problem in writing your final assignment, or maybe you still have a question about how to submit your final version of Google Docs in Turnitin, and how to improve your writing skills. Yeah, and I would really suggest you to use three things that I have already mentioned previously. Three strategies. Yeah, the first one is Turnitin. It can help you to check grammatical error and provide you similarity percentage, yeah, of your documents. And I hope there will be no more than 30%, yeah, of the similarity on your final submission. And you can use GPT grammar, yeah, to check the grammatical errors and spelling errors on your Google Docs, yeah, directly simultaneously in Google Docs. Yeah, you don't have to copy and paste it in another website. And the other platform or extension that you can use is Work GPT. Yeah, so this one really helpful. It is not only check your grammar, but also it can extend, yeah, it can rewrite your idea. But again, my students, do not rely too much on these three strategies or these three platforms. What you need to do is to learn something from these three strategies. Yeah, can you improve your ideas based on the suggestion provided by Turnitin, GPT Grammar, or Book GPT? Okay, and do you think you can learn something new from the following strategies? And do you think that in the near future, yeah, you can use the following strategies to improve your writing skills? Yeah, maybe I will ask those three questions and another questions in the follow-up questionnaire after you have submitted your final assignment in Google Docs. Yeah, so the final version of your Google Docs, you can download it as Microsoft Word or as PDF, and then you can submit it on Turnitin. Yeah, so the final version of your submission will be on Turnitin. I can give score, I can provide feedback directly on Turnitin. So definitely don't forget to download, yeah, the Google Docs version, the final version of your Google Docs in the form of PDF or Microsoft Word, and then submit it on Turnitin. Yeah. Let me show you once again. Yeah. So this is the class ID and enrollment key. Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to visit turnitin.com and then create an account as student, and after that fill in all the information including this class ID and enrollment key. Yeah, so it's very easy. If you have any question, I will answer your question on WhatsApp or maybe on Google Classroom. I think that's all, my students. Hopefully this video can help you to have a better understanding on your final submission, and hopefully the following strategies that I have already explained in this video can help you to improve your writing skills. Okay, don't forget, you need to work collaboratively. Do not rely too much on the AI that I have suggested to you. The following AI platforms can help you, but you yourself should decide, yeah, which one is better, which one is correct. Definitely this is your assignment. Okay, AI can help you, but AI cannot replace you, yeah, in order to do this work. Okay, I think that's all, and hopefully you can submit your assignment on time. If not, then I will still give you score, but it is not 100% as the other groups who can submit on time. Yeah, good luck for your final assignment. Have a nice day and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.